Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, I can't be the only one who is kinda like, maybe there's something to this. When Umusa said, guys, he got sick on the day, ushawe stroke, on the day he was supposed to go and have a meeting with Usamke's uncle. And I'm just like, Umusa doesn't, for me, I'm just like, Ugop flow. Seems like she is not flowing with this in Dabaga number 5. Because I'm just like, guys, us in our black cultures, Uguti, like, coincidence. We don't really believe in coincidences. But I was just so surprised and kind of sad for Usamke. But I'm just like, Umusa is not a sick person. He doesn't just get sick and then the day where he's bringing in this law number 5 that has brought so much chaos, not the person herself, but law number 5, the issue around or him bringing her, like there has been in Nkulumo, guys. He worked very hard to bring in this wife. I mean, Abong was said they've been waiting for how long? 7 years for wife number 5, you guys. So he worked very hard even when she's here. Usane Nkulumo, so I'm just like, hey, yes, they said indaba yokuthi Musa shawe stroke on the morning or on the day supposed to have a meeting with Makwela's or the Makwela family. Now, Umusayana, he contributes his stress to everything else. Guys, you know what's the sad thing? And to show what really there's no unity here, everyone has their own reasons of why Umusa is sick. Do you understand? Not everyone. But Umatlale is saying, Uguti, Sonke, we are the reason why Umusa sick. Umusa says, Uguti, the reason why he's sick is because there's no unity amongst the wives. He's been trying, he's been fighting hard, but there's still no unity. And that's the thing, Mkulisayo, that's the thing that's stressing him. Ulokuzano mangwabe benomakumalo are like, listen, we are not the ones umusa ustresswa izinto zakhe and kusemhlabeni lana vele istress sikhona in every type of situation. I am just surprised ukuthi umusa maybe he thought of that, you guys, and I don't know if I'm just being extra for thinking that. I guess it's not that deep though. But anyway, yeah, guys, I found it quite sad. I am then wondering if there were then advances made in terms of Usamke. Guys, hey, that's been going on. It looks like the Mselebu family has been through a lot. Imagine you being number 5, guys. And already there are people who don't like you. And then you find out Ugutu Musa gets sick on the day he's going to meet your family. Now people are going to be suspicious of you already. Guys, and also, guys, there's something that I noticed that I'm just like, hey, Patung. Umusa, when he's explaining this whole story, he woke up Kwamanga Ugwabe, his eye was sore and whatnot. He says he woke up Kwamangwabe, right? She was not feeling well. He decides to go to Umakumalo and tells Umakumalo, listen, I'm not feeling well. He goes back to Umangwabe's house. When he gets back to Mangwabe's house, he decides to drive to Seapark. He decides to call Umatlele. In all this interaction, guys, up until he's taken to the hospital, I did not hear Umayeni's name. And I'm just like, you're telling me in all of these interactions, Umusa could call or interact with all of the wives except Umayeni. Yo, guys, and it keeps getting guningier, guys. Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.